Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. This is some small functionalities we should know. And further plugins. We'll discuss a little bit about auto plugins tomorrow. We have already touched for one or two access modifications field. We can try to test this YDC claims script. Basically, we can update the claims right. This is another topic. We'll continue tomorrow. I'm just giving you reference. See if we can able to customize it. We can already YYDC claims script. If you go to the scripts over here, and if you go to the YDC claim script here, here's your YDC claims script. This is where the scopes we talk about. We added the scopes right. They have provided some default claims where, like email address, phone number, given names of these are the by default one. And if you read about this one, they have this scope. We try to add this profile right. If you add the profile scope, you should get these claim details right. If you add the phone scope in your client, you get your phone number. If you get the address, you can get the address. And if you get that email, you should get the email things. All these ones, this is a claims. We can customize the YDC claims as well by putting that. I guess we can test this tomorrow. We'll discuss a little more about these, the claims that I do test it right. And then I guess once it's done, after then I guess our YDC part is still get completed, and then we'll move to the SAM security assertion markup language. We'll discuss where we will see introduction to the SMs, where we'll see how we can configure identity provider and service provider, how we can add the SAM entities into the circle of trust. We will see it's right here. Now federation in entity providers. Here we will create our SAML entities. This O2 is for O2 clients. This federation is about the SAML entities. And then I guess mostly from next week we'll start working on this single sign on. It will also take 2-3 days this single sign on as well. These two are very important topics through OAuth, OIDC and SAML. Mostly in Into also they ask question related to this. They'll ask you what is the circle of trust? What's the use of it? We'll discuss that. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.